Hi everyone, welcome back. This is your indiafoodrecipes.in. Today our recipe is prawn masala. This very famous Andhra dish. Let us see the ingredients. I took some prawns and one chopped tomato, one chopped red onion and crushed ginger and garlic, some curry leaves and 3 to 4 dry chilies, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 4 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and some salt. Let us see how to prepare this shrimp masala or prawn masala. Heat some oil in the pan. Make sure oil is heat. First I am going to add our mustard seeds here. Then our dry chilies. Saute it for at least 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. Then I am going to add our curry leaves. This curry leaves will give nice flavor to our prawn masala. This very famous Andhra recipe. Then I am going to add our chopped onions here. Saute it for at least 1 minute. After that we will add our ginger garlic paste here. Then I am going to add our crushed ginger and garlic. Saute this mixture well until remove the raw smell of this ginger and garlic. After that we will add our chopped tomatoes here. Saute this for again at least 1 to 2 minutes. After that we will add our chopped tomatoes here. Now I am going to add our chopped tomatoes here and I am going to add some salt also. Mix it everything together until these tomatoes are smashed. After that we will add our masalas like chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Saute it like this. Here, look at this, our tomatoes are smashed well and there is no raw smell of these tomatoes. Now I am going to add our masalas. First 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Whenever you prepare non-vegetarian or seafoods or vegetarian foods, try to add turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This depends upon your spices. Now mix it everything together. Saute this mixture for again 2 minutes without adding water. After that we will add our prawns here, clean prawns here. Look at this, our masala mixture is ready. There is no raw smell of this coriander powder and chili powder. This is the time. Now I am going to add our clean shrimp here. Mix it everything together. Again saute this everything together for 5 more minutes without adding water. That is the important thing. This prawn will release water, so the water is not necessary here. Mix it everything together. Don't close the pan. Now leave this for 5 minutes. In between stir it well, otherwise it will stick into the pan. Our spicy prawn masala is almost ready. Look at this. Now I'm going to close this pan for 3 more minutes. After that, let us see how is our spicy. Let's check our spicy prawn masala. Yeah, cooked well. Can you see this? This is the time we are getting dry consistency also. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Here our spicy prawn masala is ready to eat now. You can serve this masala with any kind of roti or variety rice like this, lemon rice, tamarind rice, or any kind of pulao also. Try it yourself. Send your valuable feedbacks to www.indiafoodrecipes.in. We will meet in another video. Thank you.